Hello students, in this video we are discussing CBSE class 10 NCERT Maths textbook, the 8th chapter, Introduction to Trigonometry, and that we are going through the exercise 8.4, 5th question, the third subdivision. Okay, so let's look into the question. Tan theta by 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta by 1 minus tan theta is equal to 1 plus secant theta into cosecant theta. We will have to prove this identity. Here in our textbook, they have given a hint. Write the expression in terms of sin theta and cos theta. For an exam, don't expect these kind of hints. Okay. So exam they may not give. So you should be able to think what to apply and when. Okay. So here, or else what you will do is you may take a conjugate and all and do. So here we'll just, the basic thing which you can try or which might work out for any question is going to be this in terms of, that is writing in terms of sin theta and cos theta. Okay. So we will do that. Okay. So we'll take the left hand side. So left hand side is going to be tan theta divided by 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta divided by 1 minus tan theta. Okay. So now writing in terms of sin and cos. What is tan theta? Sin theta divided by cos theta. Whole thing is divided by what? 1 minus what is cot theta? Cos theta by sin theta plus again cot theta is what? Cos theta by sin theta. Whole thing is divided by 1 minus sin theta by cos theta. Now this alone we will multiply and we will take the LCM. Only for the denominator, numerator we are not going to disturb. So what you will have now? Sin theta by cos theta divided by sin theta minus cos theta by sin theta plus cos theta by sin theta, the whole thing divided by cos theta minus sin theta divided by cos theta. Got it? Okay. So now this is of the form A by B by C by D. How will you write it as? A by B into D by C. Isn't it? So here what is A, what is B, what is C, what is D? We'll just see here. So this will be my A. So this is B. This is C. This is D. So in the numerator what you will have? You will have A and D together. Denominator you are going to have BC. Likewise for this also, these two will be the numerator, these two will go to the denominator. So can we write it accordingly? So next we will have, and just write it a little bit down. So when you are doing these kind of questions, see to that you are writing it very neatly. Don't make it clumsy so that even you will not be able to understand. So it will be sin theta into sin theta divided by cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta plus cos theta into cos theta divided by sin theta into cos theta minus sin theta. Clear? Next, what is sin theta into sin theta? We know it is going to be sine square theta divided by cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta plus cos square theta divided by now listen carefully, I am going to do a small change here. Sin theta I am going to write as such. Here I have sin theta minus cos theta, but here I have cos theta minus sin theta. Okay, in one place I have a minus b, in another one place I have what? B minus a. If I am going to multiply this b minus a, like if I am going to take the minus outside, or I can even write it as minus of minus b plus a, isn't it? So then what will I get? Then also I will get b minus a only. Okay, so this I can write it as minus of a minus b. Correct? So this will be written as minus of a minus b. So I am going to take the negative sign outside. So instead of putting it in between and just putting it in the corner so that you don't get confused, or else you would just put a negative symbol like this, because everything is in product. So you have sin theta minus cos theta. Okay. So if the negative symbol is here, it will also get applied here. Isn't it, children? Because you have something here and then you have something in the denominator. If you have minus, this will go to the middle term also. This minus will get carried. So you have sin square theta divided by cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta minus cos square theta divided by sin theta into sin theta minus cos theta. Look at this carefully. Okay, you have sin theta minus cos theta to be a common term in the denominator, but here you have sin theta, you have cos theta. So this sin theta alone you can multiply here, and this cos theta alone you can multiply here. So by taking the LCM, so what you will get? You will get sin square theta into sin theta. So it is going to be sin cube theta. Okay, and then minus cos square theta into cos theta is what? Cos cube theta divided by, you will have in the new denominator sin theta cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta. Got it? So now can I say that this is of the form a cube minus b cube? Yes. Can you all recollect the formula for a cube minus b cube? So what is a cube minus b cube? It is nothing but a minus b into a square plus b square plus ab. Correct? A square plus b square plus ab. So instead of a you have sin cube theta, instead of b you have cos cube theta. So a pala what you have? Sin theta. For b you have cos theta. So can we substitute accordingly? So you will have sin theta minus cos theta into sin square theta plus cos square theta plus sin theta cos theta divided by sin theta cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta. Okay. So in this you have sin theta minus cos theta. Here also you have sin theta and minus cos theta. So both can be cancelled. Okay. So once you cancel both, so what you will get? Also you have another identity here. What is the identity here? Sin square theta plus cos square theta. So we know that is equal to 1. Okay, we will substitute for both. So you will get 1 plus sin theta cos theta divided by sin theta cos theta. You know that the sin theta cos theta belongs to both. So if you have 1 plus a by a, you can write it as 1 by a plus a by a. That is what we are going to do the next step. So you can write it as 1 by sin theta cos theta plus sin theta cos theta divided by sin theta cos theta. So these terms will get cancelled, leaving a remainder only 1. So I just put the 1 in front. I'll write it as 1 plus 1 by sin theta cos theta. Can I write it as 1 by sin theta into 1 by cos theta? Yes. So what is 1 by sin theta? Cosecant theta. 1 by sin theta is cosecant theta, and 1 by cos theta is what? Secant theta. 1 by cos theta is what? Secant theta. So now look into the question. So we've got the answer 1 plus cosecant theta into secant theta. 1 plus cosecant theta into secant theta. Look into the question here. Our right hand side is 1 plus secant theta into cosecant theta. We got 1 plus cosecant theta into secant theta. See, both are the same, right? So this is same as the right hand side. Okay. So thus we have proved the left hand side and the right hand side. So this is going to be your right hand side, and hence we have proved it. Okay. So this is how you are going to approach. So it may look big, but still it's all just simple steps. Okay. Simple steps. You just need to think and apply. You can't mug up all these things. So don't try to mug up. As you do the sum, you will come across your own way. Intuition will tell you what to apply where. Okay. So first thing, we are substituting for tan, cot, everything as sin by cos. Okay. So the foremost step is what? You are going to substitute sin by cos. So tan to padla sin by cos, cot to padla cos by sin, cot to cos by sin, and tan padla you are going to substitute sin by cos. So all that you have done here. Okay. First step. Next step, we are taking the LCM for the denominator. Okay. LCM for denominator. Okay. So once you take, you are just doing this step. Okay. First you did this, and then you are doing this. You are just writing it properly so that you can solve it easily. So this is nothing but what? AD by BC. Okay. When we have something big, just convert it into A, B, C and D and try to work it out. So it will be easy for you. Okay, children. So once you do that, you are getting sin theta into sin theta. So it's nothing but sin square theta. Likewise, cos theta into cos theta is cos square theta. Here cos theta into this. So this is where you're just looking for this one. So here it is sin theta minus cos theta. Here it is cos minus sin. So A minus B is what? Here it is B minus A. So B minus A, I can write it as minus of A minus B. So that is what we have done here. We have done put minus here, and we have written of the form sin theta minus cos theta, so that it helps us in our next few steps for taking the LCM and all. So when it is minus here, it will automatically shift here. So minus, so we see that these two are going to be common. So these are the extra terms. So for this alone, we will just cross multiply, or you can say you are taking the LCM here. So it's sin cube theta minus cos cube theta. Because along with this, you will have sin theta to be multiplied from here. And then here, this cos theta will go. So you will have cos theta. So sin square theta into sin theta is what? Sin cube theta. Cos square theta into cos theta is what? Cos cube theta. So in the denominator also, you have here cos theta will come. So basically, so there also you will have it. Okay. So now we are going to write it as sin theta cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta. So when you are going to convert, you have now next you are going to apply a formula for this a cube minus b cube. Okay. So what is a cube minus b cube? A minus b into a square plus b square plus ab. So once you substitute, you are able to cancel these two. you're like ending up with this formula. So here you're able to cancel, here you're having another identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So substituting for that identity, you're getting 1 plus sin theta into cos theta, okay, divided by sin theta into cos theta. Okay, so once you substitute that, you have just separating the numerator along with the denominator separately. So 1 by sin theta cos theta plus sin theta cos theta by sin theta cos theta. So once you cancel, you are ending up with this right hand side, that is your 1 plus cosecant theta into secant theta, and thus we have proved the given identity. Hope you understood, children. If you have any doubt, please go through it again and try to solve along with the video. Okay, you can just start the video and try to solve along with me, so that it will be little more easier for you. Just listening will not help you, so please try to solve it, only then it will stay in your mind. Okay, so we'll see the next question in the next video. Thank you, children.